What it do, you guys? And I messed up. Okay. What it do, you got? Wait, let me start over.
No.
What it do, you guys? As y'all can see, it's Shigeli Majin. I have a visitor.
Soada.
And apparently she's my sister. And today we're going to be making slime. So all you need is school glue, Elmer's glue, Tide, baking soda, no, lotion, and a mixing tool. No, all that stuff is dirty.
Okay.
So let's get started.
I don't have a mixing tool.
I'll just use this. Okay. So first I'm gonna be pouring glue on mine. Then I'm making a heart. So if y'all don't listen to Cardi B, go listen to her. You can talk. Okay, you guys, now it's time to add the Tide.
You got more than me though.
I do.
Yes, you do.
It's time to add the Tide.
But guys, don't add so much because if you do, it's not gonna work out right. And the Tide needs to be less than the glue. I thought we got
So you guys, we gotta mix it now. We're gonna show y'all the slime once we.
But she has more than me, so
A little bit more than you. So you guys, I'm going to be adding my baking soda now.
but I still got to mix.
Gotta add a little bit of juice.
Yeah, I need a little bit more. I need a little bit more to take all the
Get some.
glue off.
I can't see. So
And guys, we're using baking soda.
they already know that. I think I added slightly too much. Okay, you guys. Then I'm going to be adding my lotion.
I need a little bit more Tide. I added too much baking soda. I need some more Tide.
Just need it after.
But guys, we put our what? You got way more than me.
I'll give you that. Okay. So you guys, it's time to put the lotion. Then I'm gonna mix it. First, I'm gonna knead mine.
That's what you do.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna put my lotion in.
Like
after.
we have two different ways to put our lotion in.
So guys, I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna unpause it when the lotion and stuff is in. So pause right now. Okay guys, we added the lotion. I still got some.
I need a little bit.
My sister getting a little bit of mine. And go subscribe to my YouTube.
Oh, and mine. Soada Clemons. Go follow me on Musically at Soada Clemons.
It's going to be in the description.
Yeah.
Here
and go
or
follow
down
me.
below.
Hit up right up here. Either right up here or
Y'all comment, like, and subscribe.
And we try. Oh, and we're gonna do our morning routine. Today? Yeah, today.
No, we're gonna do our night routine
Tonight. I'm doing my night routine on my channel.
So you guys, this is what my slime turned out as to be, cause mine is like.
And mine turned out like this.
Okay, you play with mine, I play with yours. She's playing with my slime, I'm playing with her slime, cause she needs to knead hers a little bit, and I need to knead mine a little bit. Stop.
A little bit more lotion.
No, I don't. Why you add it? So she has more activator. Like she had.
Like hers isn't stretchy enough.
Mine is stretchy. Yours not.
Mine is stretchy. So.
Unless I.
Cause like I have a little bit more activator than her, but